I heat it up twice and look, it burns. And it's crispy outside. I don't like fat. So I'm not gonna eat the fat. Ugh. That's why I like so many fat. Ah, hold on. Come on. Come on.
Yeah. No berries with beef. Mantika na yung mantika.
Yeah.
Beef. Silang mantika tunga ka din.
Mga sa ay,
Tunga.
mga sa lapad kay kuan. 15.
Oh.
Ani, cheese, ani.
Nice fry.
Andra, sparkle. Royal o lemon.
Sila din siya na pagtulo na
Ay,
siya.
sorry, sa imo, upat 5. Sa uban, tulos 5 lang.
Thank you.
Kalimutan.
Mantika kung kalap pa.
Kapuhin lang kayo magmataya. Mga sa lapad. Donald Bro, shout out. We call it Manapua in Hawaii. Ha? Di na misod? Sud di kayo maguslot.
Oo, pinta nga bago.
Pintahan o. Pintahan din na ito. Oh, 37. 50. Dali
Dapaw na.
Shout out 3 are watching right now. Thank you so much. There's something I'm gonna tell you guys. We call it Manapua in Hawaii. Enjoy your snacks, dinner. Love your bed videos. Thank you, Donald. Shout out to you. Thank you. Oh, sige. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Hinay dira.
Oh.
Okay. So it's bright here, guys. It's look. This is my yard. And this is my table. And the cat is in it. With the dog food. So. My face is so big. My face is so big, Donald. What is Manapua means? Donald bro, what is Manapua? I'll give you some moderator, okay? Okay. Okay, Donald, you already have moderator. Okay, I just want to make sure there's no worm. There's no worm on this, guys. Okay. What is Manapua? Ah! Iinit mo yung chicken. Yung chicken dito sa oven toaster. Kanisa doon. Kung napay usa ka chicken dito, init ang doon.